My name is Ben. I'm a hospitality team member at Feasted, also a chef, and my age is 18. When I came here, I had pretty much no cooking knowledge or skill whatsoever, no food hygiene knowledge or anything like that. Ever since I came here, my confidence really grew, my palate grew. I started trying more things. For me, I have really bad anxiety problems. After I left high school, I decided I wanted to do something above my comfort zone, which really was cooking. And it's something for me I found very therapeutic, and I wanted to advance my skills on another level. So I got into contact with Chris and I started here. I'm most enjoying the fact that I just get to see such happy faces every time I cook, and every time I serve food is just an amazing thing. I want to open my own business, be my own chef, and being an apprentice means to me that I can grow, expand my knowledge. I can learn more about the hospitality world, be the person that I want to be.